Go on top. You say, what the name of the park again? No, the park.
Oh.
Alright, never. Go and tell them the park. What kind of Kingston? Here?
Yeah, downtown park.
Downtown.
Kingston.
You say, man, we're in the park. You say, man? Yeah. We have to talk about some name boy for bitter than them thing, the road thing. I don't know Rasta man thing.
Yeah,
Because you don't know I'm coming from what day I'm still sick out. So I want to lick out them virus out of my body. So never like to show me out there. Go on top.
Yeah, man, the name, man. You spoil the name. And buckle it. Put it by your fridge and it's cold. And you drink it like that. It's water. You understand?
You see it?
You drink all a shot this morning.
You see it?
By your bed tonight, you drink all the next shot of it. And yeah. It's better when you drink it cold than when you drink it hot. You know?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
For poor circulation.
Yeah, man.
Of blood.
You see, that man that tells you a thing about our culture and our roots. You see, man, when I never forgot a doctor and that thing, a real man I wrote. You stay up on road. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Just I don't want a week call come on and camp. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Sure.
You have a next one too, you know. You have other one. Guinean.
I got my drink this morning.
Guinean weed.
Yeah, man. My drink. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Them,
Sure.
And buckle them and
Yeah, man.
drink them like
Yeah,
water.
man. Anyway, never. I go search out the name bush before I go in. You know, I travel from country to country with that on tour. My name Glamour Blacks. My name, I come out of Lionheart Record, the Empire, AK-47 Fire. I hear me, and not chatting. We don't love government. I can run out the crazy ball out of Jamaica, watch out now. And the ghost out there. Yeah, man, you see how them players are set. And they go and thief out the money. The dirty Bobby around there. Yeah, I know. But don't know. I think I can turn up. Can watch me, I want 5 million. Oh, yeah, man, I'm a real bad man in that place. You see I'm a set. I'm a real bad man in that place. I'm me and Glamour Black. I'm me and Lionheart. I'm me and run thing. Rasta run the race. Up there. Out and bad. What you say, never?
Yeah, man. Straight.
Straight.
Straight up.
Love it.